Optimal page replacement. Okay, the difference between LRU and OPR is LRU. So we are moving towards which direction? What is this direction? Left. Okay, then in optimal, so we are moving direction in the right side. Okay, that is which page is no longer needed. Okay, we have to replace the string. The page no longer needed. So that is the algorithm of that is optimal page replacement. Okay, now so what is the first string? As usual 7. Okay, now we see the frames. 4 frames are free now. The first 7 is occupied frame 1. Okay, now the 7 here fault. Then what is the next string? 0. The space, free space is there. Then 7 0. Then fault. 0 is occupied in the frame 2. Then what is the next one? String 1. Then the frame is free. It occupies frame 3. Clear? Then what is the next one? 2. 2 occupies. That is free is there. Then 2 will occupy in the frame 4. 7 0 1 2. Page fault. Then what is the next string? 0. 0 is there, right? You keep as it is. That is hit. Then what is the next string? 3. Now we have to replace the some pages, right? You have to replace the some pages. Which page we have to replace? Now you check it. So you check 7. So where we are using 7? So no, 7 is no longer needed. So in future we are not using the 7. Then you see the 0. So we are going to use soon 0. Then 1 you take 1. So 1 is we have to use. Then similarly 2. So we are using 2 here. So which one is no longer needed? 7 is no longer needed. So we are replacing 7 by 3. 7 by 3. So here 3, 0, 1, 2. This is fault. Then what is the next string? What is the next string? 0. So 0 is there or not? It's available, right? So we keep as it is. There is no page replacement. That is hit. Then next one is the 4. Next one is the 4. So 4 is not available in the frames. Okay. Now we have to replace the 4. By which string? Which page? You check 3. Where we are using 3? So in soon we are going to use 3. Then 0. Here we are using 1. So here we are using 2. Here we are going to use soon. Which one we have to replace? 1. So we are replacing 1 by 4. So 3, 0, 4, 2. That is fault. We are replacing 1 by 4. Right. Then next one. 2. 2 is there or not? Available or not? Available. So we keep as it is. That is hit. Then 3. 3 is available. Then we keep as it is. Then 0. 0 is available. Hit. Then 3. 3 is available. Hit. Then 1. 1. So not available. 1 not available. We have to replace the particular some pages, right? Which page we have to replace? You see 2. We are going to use 3. The 0 we are going to use. 3 and 4 we are not going to use. So we can replace any 3 or 4. So we can go for replacing 3, right? So we are replacing 3 by 1. 1, 0, 4, 2. So we are replacing 3 by 1, right? Here page fault. Then 2 is already, the string is already available. So we keep as it is. That is hit. Then here 0 is already available. That is hit. How many page fault is there? Now we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 page fault is there. Okay. So for this set of string, if you want to execute there is this pages. If you want to refer it, which algorithm is best here? We can go for either LRU or OPR. But FCFS is number of page fault is more compared to OPR and LRU. Okay. So likewise you have to justify it. Okay. Thank you.